And now, it's time for the reveal of the De-Carona table. What's up, everybody? So far, it's been a nice one. I've got a new computer for a friend of mine. Got a tune-up all finished. Got a new laptop ready to go. And got things fleshed out here with the De-Carona table. So, let's take a look. Alright, so like I was saying, you can come on in, set your device right here on the De-Carona table, and then hang out in the De-Carona zone. That's right. Every time somebody comes in and leaves, we make sure to clean up after them. We can have you sit down here, we'll inspect the device, get you our instant quote, and then we can get things started. Mr. Vondo found a cool one. We've got our very own UV phone sanitizer.
Hello, the disinfection and coating process is in progress.
Okay. Gloved up, paper toweled up, and you know you gotta have your special mix of Lysol, right? Gotta make sure you can still work at home. Gotta make sure your video games still work. So that's the De-Carona zone and the De-Carona table. Definitely hope you enjoyed that one. Whether it's for entertainment or working at home, we're your one-stop shop here in Rockford. So what's keeping you entertained? Got a new movie? New video game? Drop it in the comments below. I'm interested. I've been, running out of TV shows lately. I'm just blasting through all of them. Or you could definitely join the new Rockford local Discord group. We got a revivaltech.group, and there we can chat it up about all kinds of different tech stuff. Hope you have a great night, and see you in the next one. Peace!